My name is Japheth Appah. I am a Lead for Ghana Fellow. I teach mathematics at IMDA Basic School in the Eastern region. I want to acknowledge Ghana Education Service and Practical Education Network for organizing this particular workshop for teachers. I think personally what this workshop has impacted on me is the ability to make abstract concepts very, very simple. So for example, personally, I've going through the workshop or going through the activities during the workshop, I've been able to have a practical experience with regards to chemical reactions. Initially, it was very abstract to me and very difficult. But going through the processes, going through the workshop and the activities in the workshop, using bottle tops and other materials to represent the atoms of chemicals, I've been able to narrow the abstract nature down to its simplest form. It has made me understand the whole thing better. Initially, I thought it was very difficult, but now, because we went through this particular practical way of teaching, it has made the whole thing simpler for me. Experiential or hands-on training is very, very important for easy learning, and if this particular way of teaching is incorporated in our pedagogy or in our teaching methods, it's going to make teaching and learning relatively easy, because previously teachers have been, or learning in the classroom has always been teacher-centered, and it has made the whole thing difficult. So the teacher will have to have all the content in mind and then come and then pour it to the students. But now, if you are able to go through these activities, the teaching method shifts from being teacher-centered to learner-centered. So the learners are engaged doing some sort of activity so that the burden on the teacher reduces, and then most of it is transferred to the learner. And the learner, to being engaged in all these activities, will be able to incorporate or assimilate more concepts easily than you, the teachers, standing in front of them and giving them all the content in the particular topic.